Hi guys, my name is Yuliya King. Right now we're gonna do this pretty makeup with Alice+Jane palette. For this makeup I used black and blue eyeshadow and look for a result. And actually for a highlighter I use this one, white eyeshadow, and it's look really cool. So first of all, I put this eyeshadow for all my eyes by the fingers, doesn't matter. It looks like primer. So, next step, more interesting. I'm gonna apply this black creamy eyeshadow for this part of the eye, and I'm gonna use small brushes. And just little by little. So just put a little bit and use this color to blend everything. So and blend it. So you don't need to put like black color for all of your eyes, only for a part of, because next part it's gonna be a blue eyeshadow. Actually, you can use your finger, because all of creamy eyeshadow works better if you use only your fingers. So this one, and do the same. And after that, blend with clean brush. See, this works much better. And it works faster. And here, under the eye. And blend everything. Second eye. Finger. Apply eyeshadow. Apply more. And under the eye. If you do something wrong, just use cotton swab. We're done with first part. So for the second part, I'm gonna use this DUOCHROME creamy eyeshadow for this part of my eyes. Really nice. Use our brush to mix like black and blue color together. One more time. Use this DUOCHROME a little bit. second try. More. And now we need more black. We're pretty much done. Right now we're gonna use black eye pencil. So, I will be using two types of the mascara, black and blue. First of all, I apply black mascara, and second layer is gonna be blue mascara. Black. Blue mascara. After that, blue lipstick. So we're almost done, and for highlighter I'm gonna use this one, white eyeshadow. We're done? We're done today for our new look. And guys, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. Please click subscribe button below, probably it's over there. And subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and have a great week.